Hey guys, so today we'll be installing some Valenti rear fog lights. Pretty easy install. Alright guys, so you want to unsolder this blue wire right there, unsolder it, and unsolder this red wire, and then just connect them two together. I don't know if you can see, but there's like a clip right here where you just unscrew. It's like a screw type clip. And then there's two bolts up here. And then there's just this thing clipping on. Yeah, that tab just clipping onto the fog lights. That's how you remove them. Yeah, if you have the stock exhaust or cutback, the muffler might be the way, so it might be a bit harder, but you can still take it out with a bit of finesse. Unless you have this, that makes it really difficult. The bolts are 10 millimeters. I don't think you can see it yet. So yeah, it was just two push pins and two 10mm bolts. And now you just unclip it. Let's just pull out the fog light now. Yeah, when you're pulling out these, the wiring for the fog lights, just be careful because there's clips that hold the wires on the side. Just make sure you don't pull it out like this. Alright, so you just want to unpin the middle one, this blue. Yeah, just unpin it. Just get a sharp object and just shove it into this part. So yeah, what you wanted to do was just cut this open a bit, so then you can pull that one back, and then after that just electric tape everything together. So then when you tap it in, you can just tap it in over here. So to make this triangle the fog light, when you press on your brakes and it blinks like 3 times and it stays on. To make that happen, just connect this red wire to this, damn it, you can't really see, bluish teal wire over here. Yeah, to the bluish teal wire here. And to get the V to light up, you connect the blue wire to the red wire. Man, you can't see shit. Yeah, to the red wire.